So Dresh is driving the car.
Difficult task removing a car from here. Just look, there are like 5-6 people just behind one car. So let's see. So हमने finally car निकाल दी है. So my dad is a pro driver. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notified on each video we post. Please हमें breakfast भी तो करना है. Very good. So we are here to have breakfast at PS4. So we are here to have breakfast at PS4. I ordered onion uttapam. I'm going to share it with my mom. And Trish ordered onion uttapam as well. This is one of the best filter coffee we had in South India. That is in PS4. You can get this kind of filter coffee in PS4 in Tirupati. Okay. So whenever you want best filter coffee, come to Tirupati PS4 and find this. Okay.
So today our car XUV 700 turns 1 year old, right? And how many kilometers have we completed today?
23,000.
23,000. Amazing, right? Yeah?
Great. Celebrating 1 year of ownership of this car.
Since we are going to complete today the 8 Jyotirlinga with this car itself, right?
Jyotirlinga and 2 Chardham.
And 2 Chardham, yes, that also is important to note.
So we actually did all Jyotirlinga and Chardham in this car.
That's what I am trying to explain. For the other car to reach. They were around 27 kilometers behind us. So we have halted over here and we are taking some of the car shots. And here this is the behind the scene videos. Janya is taking the first. Janya took the reels and now she's taking the Insta 360 videos of the car. There goes behind the scene. Now the second car has reached us, so we are taking one more shot of 2 cars together. Sharnam, you have the experience of driving XUV 500 for 10 years, and then after that you have been driving this XUV 700 for 1 year. So share your experience of 2 cars with different technologies.
The same brand.
Of the same company, Mahindra.
Both are good in terms of ride quality. 500 was a bit sturdy. I could easily jump it on potholes. This car I have to take a bit of care when on rough roads. It is more like a luxurious car like BMW. Speed is and torque is much better than 500. Both have their own advantages. 500 I could have driven like Thar. I don't have to look for potholes. For this I have to take a bit of care. If there are potholes I have to be a bit slow. But comfort wise this is much better. And pickup wise also this is excellent.
Okay. Now we are 50 kilometers away from Srisailam.
Photo lab is?
So now we are going to pass through this Nagarjunasagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. So here we are traveling through the Tiger Reserve, but it's also a ghat at the same time. Here you can see the valley, mountain on the opposite side. Now we are passing through the jungle safari area of this Tiger Reserve. Hairpin bends are not leaving your side. So now we are 5 minutes away from the Mallikarjuna Jyotirlinga. We'll search for a hotel nearby. So for the Mallikarjuna Jyotirlinga Darshan, there is a compulsory dress code of traditional dress. The men should wear dhoti and shawl, and women should wear sari and jacket or salwar kameez with chunni. I guess now after 1 hour of searching, we finally got rooms in Srisailam.
So we finally got this one, like 3 rooms, or I don't know how many rooms, but maybe 3 rooms.
Ours is -1 a floor. And we get a key. So along with the key, they give the remote of the AC. Oh,
Wow!
so here is the room for 6 people.
Me and Jania, Papa, Mummy and Daddy Dada.
Oh, mirror is here, big one. Wash basin, and here is the toilet and the bath. So to get a room for a overnight stay in Srisailam, we had to struggle for around 1 hour to get a room. Rooms were not easily available. Over here you won't find rooms for like a hotel. Here there is sort of a southern or ashram stay over, right? So finally we got one.
Unat parto na ito. So like तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं मल्लिकार्जुन for darshan.
So now we are going for the darshan to Mallikarjuna Jyotirlinga.
We removed our smartwatches and everything and gonna keep our phones and stuff in the car itself. I forgot to remove my smartwatch and Daddy. Oh.
So now let's see how much time we take for the darshan. since we cannot carry mobile inside, so after the darshan, we'll give you the details. Till then, bye bye.
Now we are at the Mallikarjuna Jyotirlinga in Srisailam. We were very lucky, we could do darshan in just 30 minutes, including the Shakti Peeth Mandir, that is Devi's darshan. So unfortunately Drish lost his sandals at the light show, so he's walking without them. Luckily we brought some extra pair and that helped us, but it's a bad management here. They don't accept their mistake. They just asked us to remove our shoes, but then if they ask us to remove our shoes, they should have been responsible, which they were not, but which is okay, which is a good experience for us.
We are here at the hotel's dining hall just because we are tired of finding things. अब दृश के shoes भी खो गए, everything. So this is the room. Firstly we need to remove our shoes here, and now what they do is they we have to sit like this in a line, and then they serve us food and plates and everything.
Jigar is holding the phone so that these two can record their reel. Just look at the harassment in his face. Sagar and Janya are very active. They don't want to sleep. And this fellow is still lazy. Lazy bum. For 2 days he's been very lazy.
Hi guys, I'm Janya. Drish is somewhere else, so आज उसका काम मैं करूँगी. Welcome guys, welcome back to our channel. Get notified on each video we post. Bye. Today we are going towards, where are we going?
We are going to